Okay, so I've already added the silk milk. We're going to try to make some vegan butter. Good luck. Wish me luck. So I already got the fresh lemon juice, and I got the silk milk in it, or the almond milk. So I'm waiting for this to curb. So this is going to take like 10 minutes, maybe 20. Then I'll come back, and then we're going to blend it all up with the coconut oil and the rest of the stuff. But we'll get to that point once we get there. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I add the last two final ingredients, which was coconut oil and olive oil. I've already melted the coconut oil, so it's a liquid form. Okay. I'm gonna pour it, and then we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator while it turns into or freezes or cools down. It should turn into a solid, and then we'll get to taste our first serving of vegan style butter. I'm curious how this is going to turn. I'm very curious. So I'll get back with you once this is freezed, and we give it a little test. Okay, so it's ready. So we're going to do two tests. One, I'm going to try it with regular butter, which I already know what it tastes like. And then I'm going to try the other one with the vegan butter. Okay. One big notice is the smell. That's what the grits look like. I just made enough grits just to do the test. And of course, we have the one with the regular butter. Since I know what the regular butter tastes like, I'm going to do this one first. That's not too bad, but it tastes like it's missing something. It has that creamy coconut taste to it. The texture is almost like butter. I haven't had butter in a while, so hold on. Actually, if you like coconut oil, this would be a interesting taste replacement for butter. Now, unfortunately, butter has a more oily taste, and I don't. Let me try some. I don't really taste much of the butter. Let's see. I think this is actually margarine, but that's so. Butter is, after eating that, and it could be my palate is now cross contaminated. Okay, now I taste the butter. It doesn't. Butter may go better with the grits, but I'm pretty sure this will probably taste a whole lot better on some toast. But I don't normally eat butter on toast. I only eat it with either rice, and I don't eat much rice these days, or grits, and I don't eat much grits these days. It has the consistency of butter, but the biggest notice you will notice is that nutty coconut, almost milky taste, which is far different than butter. But when it comes to health, this is far more healthier. This will put you in the grave quicker. So it depends on what you want to sacrifice: coconut flavored butter or regular margarine. Which, you know, let me try the toast test. I don't normally eat toast, but let's try a piece of toast. And let me get right back with you. Okay, we are back. All right, so I did a double blind test. You know which one has what's on this one compared to what's on that one? If you guess margarine was on this one, yep, let me see there. If you guess margarine was on this one, you were wrong. The margarine one in this is this one. So let's do a comparison. I don't normally put butter on toast. Don't eat toast that often. But I would have to say, on toast, it's absolutely delicious. With the bread and that nutty coconut flavor behind it. It may not go good with grits, but on toast, it's a winner. And they probably do the same thing with pancakes. Let me go ahead and get a glass of water so I can clear out my palate right quick. Now, the margarine. Let's see. Just like tastes like typical margarine. It lacks the nutty flavor of the coconut. So if I had to choose between one or the other, this is much better on the palate. Not only is this much healthier, it tastes better. I'm not really like I said, I'm not really a butter fan. But if I had to compare the two, I would choose this one, the vegan, because it has that coconut flavor and it gives a little life into the toast. Because toast by itself is fairly bland, other than it's been toasted. Butter doesn't add much benefit except for the creamy texture, but it lacks substance, in my opinion. But the coconut, the organic butter, this is the champ on toast. You have to try this, and it's quick, it's easy to make. It takes more time to let it sit in the refrigerator than it does to actually make it. And all you need is some soy milk, like almond milk, because that's what I use. 2 teaspoons or teaspoons of fresh lemon. Half a teaspoon of, what was the other one? I know it was 1 cup of coconut oil melted and a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And there you have it. And this one, the vegan diet one. This is actually, I don't eat toast, but this could easily make me start eating toast. This is actually really good, and it's not only is it much healthier for you, it tastes better because that coconut flavor on that toast, it brings out the juice in it. Oh, that is good. That is good. All right, so in this contest, margarine versus vegan butter wins. All right, fam, take care. Remember, eat healthy as much as possible.